I just got an email from YouTube few hours ago that my payment has been sent like to my bank account. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with us how much YouTube actually paid me for the month of July, how much was being deducted, and how much was sent to my bank account. And yes, I'm not trying to show off, but rather to encourage and motivate somebody out there. That is, if you've been ever worried on how much does YouTube really pay Nigerian creators, or does YouTube pays actually, in this video you're going to be finding out, because I'm going to be revealing every single thing with you guys. So without much being said, let's get started. And if you're wondering why am I in this kind of background, I actually got an urgent call home, so I traveled home. Yeah, that is why you're seeing this background. Okay, yeah, so I'm going to be taking you guys straight right down to my YouTube studio, show you how much I was being paid, how much was sent, and towards the end of this video, I'm going to be sharing some great tips on how you can make money faster on YouTube, and how I was able to make this amount despite it being one of my. All right, so let's quickly head over to the month of July 21st. You can see it that the money actually came today. Okay, so if you can see from the screen here, I was paid July 21, 2025, and ending period starts from June 1st, 2025 to June 30, 2025. That is to tell you that YouTube pays you like a month behind. So this particular paycheck was actually what I made for the month of June. Yeah, so as a YouTuber, what you earn in May, you're going to be getting it on the month of June. Why your June paycheck, you'll be getting it for July. Okay, so from the screen here, you can see that my earning was $438. That was what I made for the month of June. Yeah, and it was actually somehow low because of the low views and a lot more. Okay, so one thing is, if you get paid on YouTube, that is any amount YouTube pays you in a particular month, they are going to be deducting tax, which is a particular fee that they pay to the US government, because we earn in dollar and we have to pay our tax. Okay, so for the tax aspect, YouTube deducted $64.34, which is actually reasonable. It's actually fair. Yeah. So now, for us to do the calculation, you just have to check out $438 deducted from $64, then you'll be getting $374.21, which is very, very beautiful. So this is what YouTube paid me for the month of July. Yeah, so let's quickly check how much this is in naira, then we come back to the video. Okay, so let's quickly head over straight to my calculator now. How much do we have here? $374. So let's quickly check it out. $374 multiplied by, how much is dollar rate today? I think 1,600. Yeah, so 374 multiplied by 16, then I have so what we have here is 598,400 naira. Oh my god, this is really, really mind-blowing. Like, this is really, really beautiful. Imagine making video online and you are being paid this at the end of every month. I know this particular month did not really do well, but at least I was able to earn this. This is to tell you that YouTube actually pays. And if you're still wondering, maybe is this girl lying or something, like, because I keep seeing comments like, Princess, I'm not really convinced enough. Does YouTube actually pay? So I'm going to be taking you through to my email for you to actually see the message I got this afternoon from YouTube. Yeah. So another thing is the payment is not going to be going straight to your bank account that very day YouTube pays you. No, I don't know how it is for other country. I'm speaking based on Nigerian, and also your bank or the kind of bank you use determined. Okay, so YouTube might pay you today, and before it will go straight to your bank account, it might take like maybe 2 days. Yeah, in the next 2 days it should reflect to my access bank. Okay, so from the screen here, you can see that I got this particular email at around 2:44 p.m. just few hours ago. Yeah, so this is what it says. Check your recent payments. We sent a payment to your AdSense for YouTube on 21 of July 2025. Below it, you can still see that if you haven't received your payments within 5 business days from the date of this email, please contact your bank for details. That is why I told you that maximum of 3 days, the money should be reflecting on your bank account. And yes, let me quickly answer another question from one of the video I made on my lifestyle channel. Somebody was like, what if you're not able to make up to the $100 threshold? Is YouTube going to pay you? YouTube will not pay you. And I'm using myself as an example. The new channel, that is my second lifestyle channel, I've been monetized there. And had it been I've been able to hit my $100 threshold, I should have been paid this month. But I'm still far from the $100 threshold. Yeah. So if I'm able to meet up by next month, I'll be paid next month. Okay. So if you're out there and you've been maybe thinking about this particular thing, the thing is for YouTube to pay you, you have to meet the $100 threshold. Okay, so if you're not able to meet that $100 threshold, if it takes you 3 months, YouTube will still pay you. But the thing is, they cannot pay you below $100. Okay, yeah. So right now I'll be sharing some of the tips that actually helped me to make this amount for the month of June. One thing that I am always grateful for is the strength of being consistent. Yes, consistency is one of the things that actually helped me to earn whatever I earn here on YouTube. That is why I used to advise us as a YouTuber, if you're monetized, you have to learn how to be consistent. Now, a lot of us get it all wrong. When I say consistency, I do not mean you should post video every day. No. You can post video 3 times in a week and you're sticking to it. You're consistent. You can post video twice in a week. Not the one that you post video today. Before you post video again next month, or you post today, 3 weeks time you're posting another video. Yes, I can understand that most of us are busy and we're not full-time YouTuber and we have other jobs doing, but you can still do it. When I was still handling my 9 to 5 job, I still managed to post video here 4 times a week, sometimes every single day. I posted video back then. So it all depends on what you want to do. But mind you, consistency does not mean you should post every day. Okay, yeah, so that is one of the things that helped me. Then the second thing that actually helped me to make money on YouTube every single month is my audience geographical location. Yeah, because unlike my lifestyle channel, I have Nigerians as my main audience. The revenue is actually very, very low compared to what I earn on my main channel. And that thing also is the niche itself matter. The niche itself matter. In as much as that my lifestyle channel is motivational, my YouTube growth, YouTube journey and all, what I'm being paid there is nowhere compared to what I'm being paid on this my main channel. I think I'll be dropping a video soon on how much YouTube pays for 1,000 views for a lifestyle channel, so that you can be able to be aware, okay, this is what YouTube pays for this niche and this is what YouTube pays for this particular niche. Okay, so niche is the third thing that actually helped me. Then another thing is being able to upload valuable content, valuable videos that is solving a particular problem. This will really, really help you to make money. Any niche at all you are, even if it's comedy, trying to bring out video with value is really, really going to help you as a YouTuber and help you to make good amount of revenue. Okay, so if you're out there and maybe your revenue is actually not as high as it is on my channel, don't get that is, do not be worried or don't start feeling bad. I actually have a friend here on YouTube. She's into this money making niche. The money this girl earns monthly. Oh my god. I think one day I'll be reviewing how much YouTube pay her. That is if she permits. This girl literally earns money. Yeah. And the worst part is that she does not even really have US people watching her. That is to tell you that niche differs. A niche that is talking about how to make money is obviously going to earn more than what I am earning. Yeah. and her channel is doing well with high views. So this is to tell you that we cannot literally earn the same thing here on YouTube. Some people, some niche we earn higher and some niche we earn lower. Okay, so do not pressure yourself. After all, we are all making money from just shooting our videos. Okay, so I believe that as a creator, if you're able to apply some of all these tips that I just shared with us in this video, there is no how you're definitely going to make money here on YouTube and monetize your YouTube channel as well. Yeah, and to those of us out there, maybe you are just starting up your channel, or you've started posting and you're not yet getting that visibility. My brother, my sister, every successful YouTuber you see here today, or every monetized channel you see here today, they've literally passed through that phase. So it's not a new thing. Starting up a YouTube channel, in fact, YouTube is not easy. YouTube happens to be one of the hardest social media platforms. If you don't know, let me tell you today. YouTube is not easy at all. So growing here requires time, it requires patience, it requires hard work, it requires consistency, it requires research, being able to make your research, being able to understand what is working and what is not working. If you're able to crack all this code, to like understand this very well, you will see that growing here is not all that difficult. Yes, it's not easy, but it's not all that difficult. You can do it. As long as Princess Chiamaka is able to do it, me that have almost wanted to delete my channel like many times, as long as I was able to do it, I believe that every other person out there can do it. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching. That is for those of you that watched to this extent, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. So if you've not liked this video, please do also like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share this video so that it can get to a lot of other creators who are still doubting does YouTube pay, or who is still confused on how much does YouTube really pay content creators in Nigeria. So I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.